Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I will be showing you how to draw a parabola using the rectangular method when given the span and the height. It is important to know that parabola has an eccentricity of 1 to 1. The first step when drawing this parabola is to draw a rectangle having a dimension of 80 by 60. So first I'll change to my construction there. Click rectangle or type REC, left click, drag 80, tab 60. That is that. My next step is to establish more a line here to my center mark. I should probably use my center line for that. Then engage line. The next step is to explode this. Click then type X, enter, explode. My next step is to draw a line from here over the existing line. The next step is to divide half of the top into 4 equal parts, or into a number of equal parts. This could be 4, could be 5. It's up to you. In this case, I'm using 4. The next step is to divide DIV, enter, select object to be divided, that, enter, number of segments you want is 4, 4, enter, spacebar to reactivate, left click, left to divide, number of segments I want is 4 as well. So the key here is to divide this side into the same number of segments as this side. What I'll be doing, I will be constructing half and then mirror at the center line here to get the other half. Now in AutoCAD, you don't need to draw everything. If your object is symmetrical, you just need to draw half and then mirror the other side. The next step is to draw vertical lines through these points and radiating lines from the, no, number these first, number these. The numbering is of great importance. It's of great importance. So please take note of the numbering. So I'm going down to my text. Click here for single line text and click a start point. I want to start here. Text height of 4 is good. Enter to accept that. Rotation angle of 0 is good. So press enter to accept that as well. You can move this around now. Here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. Now we're going to start numbering from here. Here is 1. Here is 2. 3. And 4 is here. Click in place outside, then escape. Now, it is important that you number this in this particular sequence. Very important, as 1 needs to measure 1, 2 needs to measure 2. Now, I'll be using Ray, R-A-Y, enter. Here as center. Click here, 2, 3. We don't necessarily need any there, but I just feel crazy. TR and enter, left click, hold and drag. That is now done. Click there, delete. That part is now done. The next step is to draw vertical lines through these points, and for that I'm using XL, enter. Then go down to vertical. 1, 2, 3. TR, enter. enter. That is now done. Now this time we're gonna use a very interesting feature. We're gonna use fillet with zero radius, and we're gonna ensure that we touch the side that we want to keep. Probably I should mirror these. Probably I should have drawn these down here. All right. Remember now, when you're trimming using fillet, you click onto the side that you want to keep, both sides that you want to keep. Okay. So I'll be using fillet. F for fillet, enter. R for radius, enter. Okay, to ensure that this is zero. That is zero, so I click enter to accept that. My next step is to click one to one, click one here. I want to retain this side, so I click on this side. I also need to retain the inner side of one right this side, so I click on that side as well. So the key here is to click onto the side that you want to retain. So first I click this side to keep this side, click this side. And this clean up that line to give us a nice clean line there. Touch space bar, then go down to two on this side. So click two on this side and two on this side to clean up that side. Again, remember, you touch the side that you want to keep. This side you want to say, touch the side, touch that side. That is done. And of course, all these techniques that you're seeing being used there in this A-level drawing, they're in that book. Fundamentals of Computer Aided Design. That is a very, very good book. Click here, click there. And then this is right here. Now that we have done that, we're gonna go up to spline, but the first thing is to change to your outline layer. Yeah. Then type spline, SPL, enter. Left click here, left click here, left click there, left click there, left click there, left click here, come down, click here, enter. Our next step is to trim, ER and enter. Touch this and that is gone. Now we want to trim this part as well. I want to trim this section right here. And we trim off that part as well. So now that we have trimmed half of this, the next step is to mirror this to get the symmetrical part. So with AutoCAD, you don't need to draw both sides of most objects. You simply need to draw half of the symmetrical side, then use mirror command. Right? Type MI for mirror, enter, then touch here and touch here, then enter, and that is now done. Our next step is to change to our dimension layer, then click linear, touch here, touch there, drag, or you could hit the enter bar one, two times. When this turns to a square, you click onto the line and drag. So there you can dimension an object by two ways. Yeah, and there we go. There we have our parabola. Nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and support my videos. If you think these videos are creating an impact, please drop me a comment, alright? Like and drop me a comment.